Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that those MPs who contributed positively to the parliament will be remembered by all, but those who caused disruption will hardly be remembered. Addressing media outside parliament ahead of the budget session, Modi said the members having a habit of being involved in ruckus and lowering the constitution values, they must introspect in the last session of the current Lok Sabha. He said this budget session is an opportunity for repentance and to leave footprints, positive footprints. Modi urged all the MPs not to miss this opportunity and perform their best.
प्रगति की नई नई ऊंचाइयों को पार करता हुआ आगे बढ़ रहा है। सर्वस्पर्शी विकास हो रहा है, सर्वांगीण विकास हो रहा है, सर्वसमावेशक विकास हो रहा है। ये यात्रा जनता जनार्दन के आशीर्वाद से निरंतर बनी रहेगी।
मेघालय